Okay, I am here. I am here. Okay. Okay, Hassan. So you open it at page 46 and test to reading passage 3. So please solve it. Hassan, I think you solved in previous time.
No, bro. I haven't solved it. Investor.
So I think you have take a few times for analyzing this. You need few times. What product you searching, man?
I'm searching a pencil. Okay, Nahid. So we have to take at least 3 questions, at least 2 questions for finding the answer. Okay.
Yes.
We have to take section A and section B. Section A and section A and section B. Section A, section B. Nahid,
Yes.
first of all, have a look at all the questions, list of headings, okay, so that we can somewhat get some idea about the question. So in question number first, impacts of certain complaints, impact of certain approach, fundamental belief that are in fact incorrect, fundamental belief incorrect, early recommendations concerning business activities, early recommendations concerning business activities, organization that put a new approach into practice, companies that have suffered from changing their approach, changing their approach, what people are increasingly expected to do, how to achieve outcomes that are currently impossible, achieve outcomes. Neither approach guarantees continuous improvement. Evidence that a certain approach can have more disadvantage than advantage. Disadvantage and advantage. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's search our answer in the paragraph passage.
Hassan.
For passage,
Hassan, I think
have
I share my opinion. I think this is easy for other purpose. Just 27 and 28, A and B passages, paragraph, we read it. And then we are match 1 to 9 list of headings. So I think this is easy. Okay, so what is the similar this? Okay. Okay, so you just read paragraph A and B.